What's up, guys? Welcome to the Off Day Angler. Welcome to my first video. I'm actually making this intro post fishing. I just kind of reviewing the footage, wanted to ask you guys to bear with me while I learn where I'm holding my fish for the camera and monologue back and forth, and just kind of get a grasp on this video making, editing, etc. So I hope you enjoy it. So thank you in advance for your patience, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Got my first nibble. I just think we need to go upstream to the bigger, maybe some bigger fish are. Finally got something. There we go. We got a rock bass. So this creek does have some fish. All right. Not a bad little guy. Good to know there's fish here. We'll let him back and see if we catch some of his buddies. Accidentally, I was hung up as I was getting ready to pull this thing out of the water. I think something tried to bite it. So I lost the battle with the tree, and there's nothing like trying to tie something on in the middle of a creek. Adds another challenge to it. Oh, had one. It's been another little guy. Oh, I think I got another little rock bass. Sure enough. Had a few of them trying to hit it. Easy, bud. He's got all his fins spiked up. Let's see if I can grab him by his mouth. These guys are feisty little guys. Oh, he doesn't want to cooperate either way. There you go. Another little rock bass. Not a bad little fish. You never know what's in these creeks, so hopefully it'll get better as we keep going. Got something else. Feels a little bit stronger. Oh, that's a big rock bass. Nice. All right, had a little bit of trouble. He swallowed it pretty far. Anyway, that's a good looking rock bass right there. Pretty nice size. I'm just using a little panfish assassin shad swim bait with a jig head, and boom, nice fish. So I did have to turn back. Unfortunately, it's getting too deep. I don't want to risk it. I don't want to go any deeper with my waders, and I'm go down out here by myself. So I'm going to head back. It was fun exploring this. I'll see if I could put in further downstream, or maybe in a kayak, because it's headed towards the river, so I doubt it'll get more shallow. But anyway, it was still fun to catch some rock bass, see what's back here. Wish I would have got hit by a nice smallmouth, but hey, I'll take it. Okay, so I found my way downstream. We are now pretty close to the main river, so I don't know. I think this is going to be too deep for me to really wade through. but we're gonna find out. At least see if there's fish right here. There we go. Something decent. Looks like a white bass. Goodness, he is a fighter for his size. It's a nice size white bass. Well, he came off right there, but probably got a decent look at him. I need to do better about just grabbing these fish, but I've been cut so many times I'm a little bit leery. There's another one, which is usually how it is. Goodness, he's fighting. Normally if there's one white bass, there's a bunch of white bass. He is pulling me. Alright, we're gonna do this a little bit different this time. So that's a pretty nice size for a white bass. Maybe a yellow bass. I'm not good at telling the difference, but he looks white to me. So nice fish, good fight for his size. We'll get him back in the water. That's the second one back to back. Hopefully the third cast we'll get another one. He's hanging out right by my legs. This is crazy. He literally bent my jig head like completely. I don't know if that's in the camera good. So I guess I'm gonna have to tie on a new jig. Alright guys, so I finished up. I think this is Hinds Creek, I think is what the map says. But I finished up here as best I could. Caught a couple fish today, so I'm happy about that. Definitely look out for part 2. I'd like to put in a kayak down here. It may be a little sketchy getting in and out, but I want to see if there's anything from here to the mouth of the river. So thank you guys for watching. Definitely had a fun day. My waders are officially leaking, so my butt's nice and wet. But it was a good day overall. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.